वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Dear students, today you will learn about this new poem on the grasshopper and the cricket written by John Keats. On the Grasshopper and the Cricket by John Keats. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run. From hedge to hedge about the new mown mead, that is the grasshopper's, he takes the lead. In summer luxury he has never done, with his delights for when tired out with fun. He rests at ease beneath some pleasant weed. The poetry of earth is ceasing never. On the long winter evening when the frost has wrought a silence from the stove there shrills the cricket's song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. Dear students, in this poem the poet is relating the grasshopper to the summer and the cricket to winters. The poetry of earth is never dead. When all the birds are faint with the hot sun and hide in cooling trees, a voice will run from hedge to hedge about the new mown mead. That's the grasshopper's, he takes the lead. So students, the beauty is forever. The nature is so beautiful and it never dies. So here the poet is saying, in the hot summers when all the birds are faint and they have lost somewhere, they are hiding in the shadow of the trees, but there is still a grasshopper who is singing from hedge to hedge about the new mown mead. New mown mead means a newly mown meadow. Grasshopper is enjoying, is in the fun, is doing the fun, and whenever he is feeling tired, he rests over the weeds. And the poetry of earth is ceasing never. On a lone winter evening when the frost has wrought a silence from the stove there shrills. So the poetry of earth, it is never ending. When there is a lone winter evening, lone means alone. When the frost means there is a thin layer of ice all over, has wrought a silence. Due to that there is a silence all around, but still from the stove there shrills. From the stoves, from the kitchens, there shrills. There is a high-pitched voice coming. The cricket song in warmth increasing ever, and seems to one in drowsiness half lost, the grasshoppers among some grassy hills. There is cricket song. The cricket is singing in warmth increasing ever. Due to that song, the warmth is increasing and seems to one in drowsiness half lost. The person who is half sleepy is still thinking like there is still a grasshopper among some grassy hills who is singing the songs. He is relating the cricket song with grasshopper's song. So students, it is all about the nature and its beauty. The poet is describing the beauty of nature by relating it to the grasshopper and the cricket songs. So just enjoy this beautiful poem.